Welcome to Learning with UNP. In this session of Business Intelligence with Power BI, we are going to explore merging columns in Power BI Query Editor. We will focus on understanding what merging columns is, learning the use and benefits of merging columns, how to practically merge different columns using Power BI. We will be using the student's dataset for this demonstration. In the previous video, we explored splitting columns, where we split a name column into first name and last name. Now, we will merge these columns back together. Let's start by understanding what merging columns means. Merging columns is the process of combining two or more columns into one. This is especially useful when related data is split across multiple columns, but you need to bring that information back into a single column for better organization or display. For example, we split the first name and last name in the previous session. Now, merging these columns will allow us to recreate the original full name column. Now that we understand what merging columns is, let's talk about the use of merging columns. Merging columns helps us in simplifying the data by consolidating related information into one column. Preparing data for better visualization or reporting, especially when you need a single column to represent combined information. Reverting changes if you have previously split a column and now you need to combine it again. In our case, merging first name and last name helps us recreate the full name, which is more practical for display. Now, let's see how to practically merge different columns in Power BI. To merge first name and last name columns back into a full name column, we must follow these steps. Select the first name and last name columns by holding the Control key and clicking on both the columns. Next, go to the Transform tab and select Merge Columns. A dialog box will appear where you can choose a separator. This defines how the data from both columns will be combined. In our case, we will select space as a separator so that the names are merged with a space between them. We must also give the column name. We will name it as full name and click on OK. After merging, the result will be a column named full name. We must make sure that we rename the newly created column as full name for clarity. We will also merge first name to and last name to columns. First, let me select first name to column. Control click and select last name to column. We can also merge columns like this. Right click after selecting the columns. Click on Merge Columns. The same dialog box appears like before. Let's select Separator as space. We will name this column as Full Name too. Click on OK. After merging, the result will be a column that contains full name like before. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.